Hey, it's Michael Burnett here, and I just wanted to give a shout out of appreciation to the team at Australian Investment Education. I've been with the guys investing with them for about 3 years using their services. I've known Andrew Baxter, for about 15 years. So it took me a little bit of time to get around to actually using his services. And it was after a testimonial from a client of ours who wrote about the returns that he was getting that prompted me to call Andrew and just ask him what exactly he was doing that was producing these fantastic results for our clients. So Andrew took me through it. He introduced me to Mitch Ollerenshaw and Andrew Gibbs at the team. And I've been, like I said, I've been there for about 3 years now, investing with the guys and using the services. I started with a very small investment, or rather small investment, and that's now grown to a very sizable investment. And I can honestly say a couple of things about the team. One, they're very supportive. So in onboarding you and teaching you through their strategies and their techniques and even the small things about the software and all those sort of things, they're very supportive and hold your hand in getting you started. Extremely professional in their attitude about just personalising the investment to what it is that you're trying to achieve. Your risk analysis, the term, long-term, short-term, cash flow, capital growth, what it is that you're trying to achieve. They build a program around that for yourself. And I suppose the most important thing is it's profitable. After 3 years, I can honestly say that it's produced the result in excess of what I had anticipated. Very, very happy with the team, right through, from start to finish, and hopefully it'll grow and grow and grow. So if you're interested, don't do what I did. Don't wait 15 years. Pick up the phone or reach out, talk to someone at the Australian Investment Education, and get started today. Thanks, guys. Bye.